Do you have any plans to remove your tattoos, face tattoo?
Or your message that you want to give to your viewers?
So if I can teach my viewers a humility in a fun way, that whatever you do, you put God first and everything will follow.
What are you most grateful for in life?
From where do you get inspiration every day?
Thank you so much. I got stuff. What's up people, welcome back and I'm so overwhelmed with happiness because look, I thought कोई भी नहीं आएगा but like so many people came. वहाँ पे भी है, उधर भी है. मेरा टैटू डेंजरस लगता है क्या?
नहीं, no, it's great.
Dangerous ना, there's no. It should look intimidating, proper ना. It's okay. Thank you everybody for coming and supporting me throughout this journey. I know you've been very well.
Glad to see you here.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I got stuff. Wow. Nice, yeah. Where's my smoke pork akode? I'm Angami now. Now I can drink Zuto. Thank you so much for this shawl. You're Angami? Okay. So Angami shawl कहाँ से आ गया? But कोई बात नहीं. I'm honored. Unity in diversity, right? I can't believe a Nepali boy is roaming around Nagaland.
Angami shawl.
Yeah, that, है ना? अच्छा है, like God willing, right? चलो, there are more people over that side. I'll be right back. Okay, 2 minutes. Finally, a guy. There are more subscribers here. Thank you for coming. And my dad is sitting here. अरे क्या बात है? This is so kawaii. Hi guys, hello, vlogging again, okay? Oh, vlogging. Hey, you can apply that, I'll edit. Thank you so much for supporting and subscribing to our channel. Alright, thank you. कैसा लगा? दुख हो रहा है दिल से. Well, I want to thank all of you for supporting me in this journey. Like it's been 1 year and it's great. Now let's talk about the sales. हाँ भाई sale क्यों नहीं हो रहा? But anyway, yeah. So if anybody wants to ask me anything, okay. So feel free. So who wants to go first? You, okay.
How did you start and what inspired you to start vlogging?
So I was always good with cameras and talking in front of the camera. So nobody, like, just Gaurav inspired me actually. So one day he came with a what do you call it, tripod, mini tripod. He said let's start vlogging. So that's how I started and it went really good. So it was Gaurav and my friend Alim and of course Fofi. Yeah, and then family to supportive hai. Yeah, everybody was like, even my mom is such a drama queen, So she's also like comfortable in camera. Who wants to take the mic? It can be any
The OG subscriber.
OG subscriber, yeah. This is Rara, by the way, who talks a lot.
So I just wanted to know, it may sound personal, but were you did you go to church before you met Fofi?
Yeah.
So you were like you knew.
Yeah. So I used to go to a different church.
Okay.
But with Fofi, I started going to this church, FOLJ.
Yeah, I saw it.
And that pastor is really powerful. He healed me 2 times, okay?
Yeah.
Twice. One with depression, second with sickness. So now I go there every Sunday and I'm a proud member of that church. Yeah. And now I encourage Gaurav also. I took him 2 times. So yeah, that's what is happening.
My second question will be, do you have any plans to remove your tattoos, face tattoo?
Get out! Sorry.
Yeah.
Please walk. I will definitely, yes. I love tattoos, okay?
Yeah.
I really love tattoos, as you can see. Like it's all covered. If I open this, it's all tattooed. So I want to remove this one.
Okay.
Because this was a mistake. And then I really want to remove this. Even though this looks like a total badass gangster. But I really want to remove this one. Because it's not decent anymore. That's it.
Alright.
And I have full head also, but वो तो छुप गया ना, cover हो गया. So yeah. क्या question पूछा भाई?
Lost count of your tattoos, or you remember how many tattoos?
See, the thing is, I don't have many tattoos. I have a big pieces. Like this is one tattoo, this like that. But like, overall, I think I have 8 to 10 tattoos. Like my whole back is covered, my legs are covered, head, and so face, neck तो दिख ही रहा है. Yeah. I have little bit space stomach में, but once abs आएगा ना उसके बाद. Okay, alright. Who said?
What is one message or takeaway you want your viewers to get from your vlog?
One message.
Or take away from your vlog?
Take away.
Yeah. Or your message that you want to give to your viewers?
Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, I really want to, that's something I really want to say. No matter what you do, I mean, if you want to start a YouTube or anything, whatever you're doing, your first foundation of anything would be to stay humble. So if I can teach my viewers humility in a fun way, that's the greatest thing I can do to, my subscribers. So that's what, I mean, like whole family is directly or indirectly preaching that only. Stay humble, stay connected, and stay within the boundaries. Okay, like we don't drink, we don't do anything else, but yet we have so much fun. And also to be God-fearing. Whatever you do, you put God first, and everything will follow. That's what I believe. Yes.
What are you most grateful for in life?
Grateful. You know what? Before I answer that, I feel like I'm gonna enter a beauty pageant or something. I'm grateful for my parents, my friends, Fofi, and of course all of you who have been supporting me, because when I was not always like this. There were times I was depressed. I was so much depressed, like I didn't even know that was called depression. Gaurav knows. And I'm gonna share something very personal. Out of that depression, I gained, I was 96 kgs, almost 100 kgs. I was fat. I was depressed.
More heavier than me.
Yeah. But later on, So I thought like, let's not waste my life like that. And because of support from dad, mom, and Gaurav, my friends, Fofi, so I became the person you see now, very God-fearing and very positive. So yeah, that's the greatest support, like all these people, and including all of you. Now I can win Miss India, I think. Next.
So as a daily
Mike.
As a daily vlogger, from where do you get inspiration every day? So new videos every day coming up, every day like that. So
That's a very good question. I'll just tell you. I will answer that. Whenever I seek inspiration, I look at the mirror. I'm like, yeah, there you go, boy. Like, yeah, you can do it. That is true, actually. But jokes apart, my vlogging style is very raw. Alright, whatever I see, whatever I do in life, I record that. If my dad is mad at me, I record that. If my mother is pissed, I record that. So inspiration is right there in my house. And of course, Gaurav time to time aa jata hai yaar ghar se, to ho jata hai, like we manage.
There's this song we have created. It's like everything is content, everything is content.
That is not my song, that is a song. Oi, this is my Q&A. Who wants to go next?
Hello, sir. Since you're visiting Nagaland for the second time in a row, are you planning on visiting the other parts of Nagaland?
Yeah.
Especially the Longwa part.
Longwa. Okay. Longwa district. Yeah. Actually, I wanted to visit a lot of places. Started from Zuneboto, because Mula Maiki Sumi ase. Zuneboto, and I really wanted a red leather jacket. Alright. So I wanted to visit Zuneboto and then Mukokchung, and then like Amu Chuba said, you can just circulate around like Vokha and then Siminu. Yeah. So I wanted to do that, but not this time. I'll be back again very soon. Then I will take Amu Chuba's car because I don't want to destroy my car. So yeah, not this time. Maybe after 2-3 months I'll be back. So then, yeah. But by the way, Nagaland is beautiful. Yeah, like you guys are so lucky. Beautiful, beautiful place, beautiful people, and beautiful vlogger.
Piece of work of us.
So my question is, when are you planning to reveal Fofi?
And next question. Fofi, देखो 100k subscribers was the aim, alright. But later on, I thought like people are getting annoyed, and then I thought people are getting angry, and then I thought people are getting violent. I was like, Fofi, why don't you reveal yourself, you know? And then Fofi got violent, and then I thought, no, not this time. So let us reach at least 50k subscriber. At least I'm still in talks with her, so I'm very patiently talking to her because she is Sumi. अच्छे से, yeah, there are 2 Sumi girls here, so you know, right? You get it. So I'm just talking, and if she's comfortable, hopefully soon she will be revealed. Yeah. तुम सबका भाभी रिवील हो जाएगा. ये तो क्वेश्चन सबके लिए था, मतलब सब पूछना चाहता था. But anyway, very good question. The question hurt me. Hoishe day.
Cultural shock.
Cultural shock. Cultural shock तो ऐसा nothing as such because I don't look very different from all of you, right? But yeah, थोड़ा सा different तो है. Eating habits, yes. Spicy foods. मतलब I don't know how you guys manage all of you. The spice level, oh my god, the heat. So that is the only cultural difference. बाकी तो नहीं, I'm like pretty okay with everything, yeah. Ouch.
And your dad, it's his first time here. So how is he like in the place and Nagaland overall?
My dad?
Yeah. Question to your dad.
Question to my dad.
You said, how do you like it?
How do you like Nagaland?
Nagaland.
Joseph?
Very beautiful, very smart, very helpful, very kind.
Okay. He's chilling. He's chilling.
Explore more.
He doesn't want to stay in the hotel.
Right now, many more to see.
Cool. All right then. यही था, and thank you for your questions. And now I'll enter beauty pageant, and I will win. ठीक है. But हो गया. जीत गया. But anyway, thank you for coming, and thank you for your questions, and keep on supporting. Yeah. Even the vlogs get boring, na. Motivate me, seriously motivate me, and you feel free to comment anything. I mean, why this content is bad, comment, and then I will block you, but it's fine. Jokes apart, just keep on motivating me, and thank you for everything. Thank you. चलो गौरव बंद करो यार. होइशे दे. Oh yeah, please everybody tell people to subscribe to my channel.
But thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Like.
Poppy, this is Rara. Yeah, we're so happy to meet Maya, and we hope to see you really soon. Yeah, anything you guys want to say?
You want to say anything?
Yeah, that's all. Come to meet you also, to see you for me.
Fofi, it's time now. Okay, it's time. She's the first subscriber to talk to Fofi. First one. Alright guys, thanks for showing up and giving me all these flowers and showing all the support. Thank you so much. I am overwhelmed with love, and keep on supporting your brother. Thanks for this beautiful flowers. Thank you. I shall see you all again on Bill.